welcome to Aurora's World. My name is Aurora, and in this video you will learn some words that you can use for the everyday life. For example, cold or hot or school, those words. You have to remember to review the words also by yourself. As my mom always says, reviewing is one of the most important parts in learning a language. Okay, so let's get started. The first one is ragazza, girl, ragazzo, boy, tè, tea, caffè, coffee, freddo, cold, caldo, hot, scuola, school, orologio, watch, calendario, calendar. Now you will repeat after me. So, ragazza, now let's say it together. Ragazza, ragazzo, ragazzo, tè, tè, caffè, caffè, caldo, caldo, freddo, freddo, scuola, scuola, orologio, orologio, calendario, calendario, maestra, maestra. Now we're gonna play a little game. I will say the words in English and you have to repeat it in Italian. Girl, boy, tea, school, cold, hot, coffee, teacher, watch, calendar. Very good! For today it's enough. I hope that you liked this video. Put a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!